Good day to all. Eid Mubarak. William C. Maveli from India. Wishing you again Eid Mubarak. Have a blessed day. Innovative Authors International Forum, Williams G. With a short video talk on one of my books titled S.H.E. Being we are all in lockdown environment and undergoing stress, tension, anxiety, darkness in our life. To get a relief out of it, we should involve in some kind of creative works, whatever we could offer or do. As you are aware, our country is going on, India is going on in a terrible situation of witnessing horrible issues like deaths and depressions and spreading of COVID, which is a concern to the government and to all the people, all the people of the world. But to get a rectification, to get a relief from that, we should be keeping our own positive vibes and get involved in certain kind of activities. Like children, they are locked in for almost 1.5 years and they are getting frustrated. They are missing their children, they are missing their friends, their school teachers and all that. But they are involved in creative works. I have seen many of the kids are coming up with their writings, their paintings and their other indoor recreational activities. Like a child, me too is involved in writing. Because of that, as a result of that, I am very much elated to say that I am happy to receive I received other copy of one of my recently published books from Literature's Light Publishing Company. I will display the book and I will have a short talk about it. The book is titled as S.H.E. She. Taking this book from my bookshelf, I am much pleased to say it is a combination of my own prose and poetic lines, which I was scribbling down for the last 1 month. And here the book title is S.H.E, whereas S stands for soulful, H stands for honest, E stands for elegant. All those three qualities are available in almost all women in this universe. The main aim of this book of poetry, titled as 3-letter words S.H.E, which stands for soulful, honest, elegant, is to set forth in the simplest possible way some of the questions to be considered and principles to be kept and followed in view of studying, analyzing and interpreting poetry in the field of world literature. The poetic highway of revelations and real poetic love experience and bit more a whole embodied and engaged within poetic life journey from my mindset is neither a faith nor a belief, nor is it a principle or a trust. A mystical is a spirit which is inborn. Being a mystic means having a certain temperament, a certain outlook on life. It is for this reason that many are confused by the word mystic, because mysticism cannot be explained in plain words. These are a few sentences from the introduction of this book, and this book is divided into three parts. One is soulful, second part named as honest, and third one elegant. And it consists of poetic lines along with prose, which will explain about my own poem in a prose style. The word soulful in literature means something that will express deep feelings, sadness, or love based on the thoughts and concepts of poetry. The light of poetry is not only a direct but also a reflected light that, while it shows us the entity, throws luminous warmth on all around it. The flame of the passions communicated to the imagination reveals to us, as with a sparkle of lighting, the innermost recess of thought and penetrates the whole of well-being. The best and most bountiful love in the world cannot be smelled, seen, or even touched. It must be felt and mentioned within the heart. Life keeps teaching you in the meaning of love. This is the two parts of the prose part and the poetry part. So it goes like that, with various thoughts from my mind put into pen down to paper via the publisher Literature's Light. The book is well designed by Literature's Light Publications, and the interior, especially I am thankful to Saugam, who is the publishing manager, and Aradhya Jha, who is the media coordinator of this Literature's Light publication. And the book costs 320, and it is currently available in Amazon.com, Kindle edition, as well as paperback, and Amazon.in. This book is dedicated to those who are in love with poetry, who is soulful, honest, and elegant. This is the dedication page, and the book consists of 142 pages, spreaded with illustrations, black and white illustrations, and many sketches which will display the poetic expressions from the mind. And the cover page is beautifully designed by Literature's Light Group Publication Company, and honorable celebrity runner, marathoner Shweta Maurya has blessed this cover page, and she is my ambassador for all the books. Even the forthcoming books, she has agreed to be the ambassador for all the books until my lifetime. That's a very good honor which I am thankful to her for giving that ambassadorship to all my books. I wish to conclude my talk on saying that always keep busy with your passion, like whether it is writing, whether it is painting, whether it is listening to music or singing, whatever it may be. You keep engaged your mind and don't go back to the past. What is happened is happened. What was yesterday, forget about it. If you keep on thinking about yesterday or your problems of yesterday, whatever you had undergone, it will not give motivation to come up in life and to go and look forward in your life pathway. So, wishing you all a happy Eid, and I wish to conclude my short talk by saying goodbye. Love to all, bye to all. Signing off, Williams Jimavelli, Innovative Authors International Forums, Editor, Editorial Director. Thanks a lot. Love to all, bye to all.